am Marina. I quit my job in the pandemic to travel the world. Starting in Italy, I am now in Slovenia, in the city of Kranj, whatever. And today we explore the city a bit and also gonna go to Bled Lake. Take you with us. Also this morning we woke up super early. We're amazingly productive, content creation on fleek. Wenn der Gimbal am Start ist, wird serious.
So sieht's nämlich aus. What's up, everyone? I just hijacked Marina's vlog. She doesn't know about this because it's her fault to just go outside. Anyway, I kind of forgot to make a video about the room, and that's why I'm now taking this camera. Okay, so we got beds, we got stuff, we got a couch, and we got some more stuff and some gear, and we have this closet. I could probably fit in here, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. Then we have this beautiful picture over here. We have a bathroom. This is me. Shower. It's probably the most important video of this whole vlog, and it's totally gonna be in the vlog. Yeah, totally positive about that. I just wasted 1 minute and 40 seconds for this. I don't know, maybe Marina will hate me, maybe not. We'll see.
So we had our breakfast just now, almost at 12, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Someone's having his first drive today.
I don't have any driver's license, so just kidding. Found the exit. Yes, I'm gonna try with that.
Oh yeah, that works.
Boom. Okay, I don't even know where we have to go.
So we now finally made it to Lake Bled.
Lake Bled, boys!
Which this motive you probably know from many postcards, pictures, Instagram, whatever. It's actually pretty beautiful. The water is crystal clear turquoise, and we actually just spent about an hour here just taking some scenes for this bigger project we're working on. And
now we want to know.
spoiler, we threw a towel.
Yes, we
time.
threw a towel.
Mm-hmm.
That's gotta be the best thing ever, and that was just
It's probably the best thing to do here.
yeah,
Definitely.
yeah, absolutely. Like
Top 10 must do things. Throw a towel at Lake Bled.
I mean, let's be real, guys. When was just the last time when you threw a towel? Comment down below.
Stay tuned for that.
Look at that. Look at that water. This is unreal. This can't be real. It's just some water with blue dye. You can't tell me that's real. What is that? What is
The energy.
absolutely fantastic scene. What's up, yo? How you doing? You did it. How do you feel?
Refreshed.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, after I was inside.
So you didn't enjoy the jump?
No, but I can recommend to take a swim in the Lake Bled. Nice.
Perfect, perfect. All that effort that she put into this video by jumping down here must be reason enough.
Without knowing how to jump.
Without knowing how to jump must be reason enough that you subscribe to her channel. Now it focused on my finger.
So that was it from Lake Bled. I really hope you enjoyed this kind of vlog. It was a vlog, honestly. And yeah, stay tuned for more Slovenian content, and also remember there will be Croatia as well. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, stay tuned, stay curious, and stay creative, my friend.
Stay creative.